You give me one of these? All right, guys, so we found this creek yesterday. We were mountain biking and we saw a bunch of trout at the bottom of it. It looked pretty sweet, but it was a ways in. Like, we had to bike into it yesterday, and I don't have a mountain bike right now. Catherine does have one. So we're trying to find it through a different trail, hiking, and there's not a trail that goes to it. We're gonna have to walk down the creek. It's like one river that flows into another river. We're trying to get to the confluence of the two of them, and then we're gonna head up that other river like quarter mile to a half mile and try to get to where we were yesterday. So right now we just got off the main path. We're by a big waterfall, and we're trying to see if these little trails lead to the river that we're trying to find.
All right, we are out here. It's May 8th.
The river.
It's the first day of wet wading for the season. Got these brand new wading socks, light blue, favorite color.
That's it. That's the other river.
Perfect.
That's what we're looking for.
That's the section we're heading to.
All right, how's the water feel?
Nice and nippy. And chilly. Oh, my tippiest tiptoes.
There you go. All right, now it's shallower. We made it.
Ooh, it's cold.
This is the beautiful crystal clear river we're gonna be fishing up. Wow, this is definitely way colder. This is, yeah.
So that's probably why the fish were in there.
Way colder.
Wow, I wonder if I would have noticed that and you hadn't.
All right, so we're in the creek now. This is definitely way colder than that other river. I can definitely see why fish are in this. But it's pretty flat. Like, a lot of this is not very deep. You can see it's pretty shallow, pretty sandy. The fish we saw yesterday they were in like some really deep rocky water. We're gonna try to just keep going until we get to some of that and try from there. All right, we've been walking for a ways. We hadn't seen anything up till now, and we finally found this deeper, slower section, as you can see. And we just spooked like 3 or 4 just walking through it. They're like right here by my rod tip. You can see them go right there. But see another one right up here that isn't spooked. Those ones are spooked, that's why I didn't want to cast at them. So we're gonna try to see if we can get him.
All right, babe, you better land this one.
See that? Moved over for it.
You did?
Uh-huh.
You got you filming?
I think so.
From my angle, it looks like it's too far to the left. Oh. Great job, babe! Great job!
All right, put him in the basket. I can't believe that worked. Man, he's strong. He's really strong. All right,
Yeah,
nice.
Good job.
First
Wow,
fish.
Look at him. He's a really unique color.
Really light colored brown.
Yeah.
Wow, I cannot believe we actually got that one.
Great job. Teamwork. My hat.
First fish. Nice
Beautiful.
brown. Look at that.
Oh, I can't even see him.
Pretty.
Oh. Like, I literally can't believe this. You can let him go.
A little release shot. Look at how well he blends in.
It's amazing. I mean, they're made for this stream.
Oh yeah. They can actually change their color. So if he moved and he wanted to live more in these rocks, he would get darker
Wow.
over the course of like a month. We're doing a snack break really quick. I got one and I missed one other, but they're definitely in here. We're at a pretty solid spot. It's starting to get a little more high gradient. You can see like we've got this pool right in front of us. So we're gonna try that. I think Catherine's gonna pull one out of there. It's her turn. But first, snack break.
Found this spot and we're gonna be casting in the darker section to see if we can get some trout out. The only obstacle is this tree right here. It's gonna catch me most likely. Yeah! Ah, dang it! Did you see that?
Yeah? Is that a chub or a trout?
That would look like a little brookie. Interesting that there's nothing here.
Yeah, I know. Let's keep moving up. It looks promising up ahead. All right, so we're pretty much up to, I think, where we started the other day. And there should be some pretty good plunge pools up here. I think there's gonna be some decent trout up here. Time for Catherine to catch a mondo, a doink of sorts.
Fishing is so complex.
We're in secret location X. I don't think anyone knows where this spot is. Very hidden. And
seen a couple, passed directly to a few, no bites, no takers.
well, you're gonna catch one.
I'm gonna catch one. I hooked one down there, but it got off. It's my bad. I didn't have my rod tip up.
Set it. There we go. There we go. Well done.
Beautiful. That's great.
All right, you having fun now?
Having fun.
A little better.
Yeah. I was having fun earlier. Woo. Alright, ready? I think he's okay.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, you're up. Woo! That was awesome. Holy cow, he's a hopper. He just goes for it. Nice!
All right.
Let's see what this one looks like.
Rainbow.
Rainbow, alright. How many inches did you say?
At least two.
2? Wow, he is athletic. That's one athletic fish right there.
Yeah, the rainbows love to jump.
Flopping. Alrighty, we'll get him back in the water. Cool.
There we go. There we go.
Little rainbow.
Rainbow.
Risky little guy.
Way to go.
Woohoo.
They are here. A lot of fish stacked up here.
Right in the nose.
All right, show them to me. All right. Back in he goes.
I need to get some
Sweet.
more for my reel. I only have 2 catches so far.
So in terms of what we're doing here, I've just got a 9'5" weight and I have an 8.5'4" weight. And I mean, I just have like a hare's ear and a pheasant tail, some weight down below and indicators, nothing special. These fish obviously have not seen very much pressure. I mean, they're just hammering it left and right. So they're just going for it. And Catherine's on again. I had something actually a little smaller on, like a little midge, but it just doesn't seem like the fish really care. So we just went to double productive flies.
Little brown.
Pretty.
That's beautiful. Gotta reel this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. Got some good color to it. Good size. Whoa, that one's gorgeous. Oh shoot. Wow, that's beautiful.
Pretty.
Great.
Okay, so we are just like absolutely waxing them now. As Joey Vassallo would say, Midwest Flyways, waxing them. And we're catching them almost every cast.
It looks like it's...
Every cast of these.
Haha, and someone's watching it.
That's really funny. Is that a trout?
What the heck is that?
That is a Greater North Carolina Ridgeback chub. I don't know actually what it's called. It's a chub. Look at this.
Huh.
Look at that.
Wow. I can't get it. Oh man.
Got a chub, and we've got a mayfly almost the same size as that chub. That's not a chub. That's not a chub. That's an asshole trout. All right.
He's a little stronger.
Beauty.
Beautiful. That's a really pretty one. Alrighty. About 15 fish deep. Maybe more.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe more.
Could even be more than that.
15 to 20, we stopped counting.
The bet definitely paid off. Definitely worked out. I mean, honestly, this is rare to say, but it all went according to plan.
It did.
Great.
We hiked here, coming to fish this big pool, got at the pool, and caught a whole bunch.
Yeah, they were all up here. I did expect to see actually more below this, and I didn't expect to catch as many here. But I'll take it.
It was a great day.
Good day, any day.
Now we're gonna go get some noodles.
We are heading out. Peace.